starting out with the skincare, which is the most important step. I am going to do my best to only use Korean skincare beauty. So I am trying out the Renewal Serum by Regelica and also their anti-aging cream, which so far I've been using it for like 2 weeks and it's really good. It just hydrates my skin really good. It has amazing ingredients. I will have a separate video about this, you guys. Then after, I'm going to be applying some concealer just under my eyes to brighten up that area, and I'm going to blend it with one of my favorite brushes by Sigma, you guys, and I will put a discount code down below, but this just gets in every corner of my face. And I'm going to be contouring. I gotta switch the color because it looks a little bit of more brick brown, but I have always used this Avon Magic Stick foundation, which you can use a foundation as a contour just depending on the color, but it just blends really good and I just like the color. And I'm using my favorite foundation of all times, you guys, which you guys should know by now, which is the Wet n Wild foundation. The stick foundation is just so creamy and I love the way that it blends. It just melts into my skin, and I seriously feel like this makes me look younger, obviously because it's cream. I'm applying a Pixie blush, a cream one, and when you're aging you want to make sure you use creams better. So I'm setting my T-zone, and then after that I'm going to bake a little bit, and as you can see I probably bake like maybe 20 seconds and I wipe it right off. So basically everything I did with creams, I'm applying my Hoola bronzer now, and then I'm going to be applying a little bit of my Milani blush. I will put it down below, you guys. And for my lip liner, I'm using the Nova Beauty lip liner, and I will post it down below as well. But it's just so freaking creamy, and once I line my lips, then I'll, like, how do you say it, overdraw like the middle outline, I guess. It just makes my lips look bigger. And then I'm using this Milani lipstick, which it looks super pink, but it's not. It's just perfect, I think, for an everyday lip color, depending on, your choice. And after that, I'm going to clean it up a little bit with a concealer brush. I feel like it makes a total difference. Now this step I never miss, so I set my face, and then with a brush that I apply my foundation, I blend everything to make it look nice and seamless and really natural. And here you guys have my look. I will post this eye next, but I hope you guys love this updated face routine that I've been using, all the products that I've been using. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos.